cute. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Yalon and in today's video I am back with another headband wig tutorial. This one is in collaboration with YOLISSA hair. So if you're not already subscribed to my channel, go ahead, hit the subscribe button, turn on my post notifications so you are aware of when I post, and let's just get straight into it. So yeah, like I said, this brand is called YOLISSA hair. They're 100% human hair, and it just comes in this nice little satin drawstring bag, and it just says love your life, love YOLISSA hair. So we're just going to get straight into what's in this bag. We have 18 inches of some curly hair. So y'all know I love the curls. So this is kind of like more of a kinky curly texture. I'm just going to go ahead and take off the protective net, and this is the hair up close. Really pretty. And then it just of course has the headband attached to it already, and then the clips to make sure it's secure. These are the clips that you do have to pop open. And then also included in the bag are accessories as usual. So there is a satin scarf, another satin scarf, which I will show you guys later on, a little edge satin scarf, a cute rhinestone headband, wig cap, but I already have one on my head, and a few more headbands and some lashes. So of course with the headband wigs, you can just use the headband that's already attached to it, but you can also put other headbands on over it. So we're just gonna get into it. I'm gonna go ahead and unsnap the Velcro, pop open these so that I can attach it to my head. And my hair is just in like a low bun with the net on it. I didn't really do too much to that and slick it, nothing. So it's a little bit different this time. I'm just go ahead and put that on my head and make sure I snap those in so that they're nice and secure. Okay, so once it's on, I just snap it in the back with the Velcro, and then it's just on securely. I can always go in and adjust my edges, not just my edges, but lay down my edges. But this is what it's looking like. Straight out the packaging, it's that nice kinky curly texture. And of course I am going to like wet it and add a bit more life to it. But this is what it's looking like. And usually with my wigs, I do tend to like to pull this back some, just to expose a little bit more of my real hair, because it just looks more natural to me. And yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and like lay my baby hairs really quick, and then I will show you guys what the different headbands look like on, as well as like wetting my hair and applying just a little bit of curl defining product. But so far, just out the packaging, curls look really good. Okay, so I'm just taking my edge control from K Naturals to lay my edges down. This is like one of my favorite edge controls as well. Like, it works so good. And with headband wigs, you do not have to leave out any hair. It's pretty much optional, but I like to just leave out a little bit. It just looks more natural to me. This feels definitely like human hair, like real kinky, curly, natural hair. It feels so good. Like, it doesn't feel skimpy. The hair feels nice and full, like just super natural. You would think this is my real hair and I just put a headband on. Like, that's one thing I really love about the headband wigs. It just looks so natural to the point where it looks like, is that her real hair? Yeah, it might be her real hair. You don't know. But it's just so natural. This baby hair is acting funky over here. Alright, so if I were to lay my edges down some, this is what it would look like. And sometimes you gotta pull this down some. If it's not, then it'll cover it. But this is what it's looking like. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and wet it. So I'm just taking my spray bottle, and then I'm just gonna use this Afro-G Curlific Curl Definer. I don't really use it too much, so I'm just gonna give that a shot with this hair today. Actually, you guys, I'm gonna take the little edge scarf that's included to help lay these edges down, because I don't want them going nowhere, lifting back up. So I'm just gonna put that on and tie it in the back so that my edges can lay while I'm styling this hair. So with styling like a kinky curly unit, it's pretty much like the same process you would do if you were rocking a wash and go, but I usually just use a curl definer and no gel because I don't like my wig hair to get crunchy or anything. So when people ask me how I maintain my curly hair units, I pretty much just use any curl defining cream. I just make sure it's always a cream styler. I don't like to use anything that's going to make the hair crunchy or anything like that. I really want to maintain the quality and softness of my units, so I always just use a cream, and that's pretty much all they need. They're not hard to get defined. For some reason, like, it's easier to take care of the natural hair wigs than my own natural hair. That's just what I noticed. So with these wigs, they don't need much, just a good curl defining cream. So this is what the hair is looking like when it's more wet now. So as you guys can see, like, it just kind of lengthens out, and I'm just going to use the curl defining cream. And I do like to focus it a little bit more on the ends, because you can see that the ends are kind of more poofy and undefined. So really like to focus it in on that area, because the top is really defined, but when you get towards the end, sometimes it can get a little bit more poofier. So I just do the raking method with my curl definer. So when it dries, it's just perfectly curled. And there is a little bit of shedding with this hair, like when I'm raking it through. I am getting some shedding, which is pretty normal with the curly hair units. Like, I always experience just a little bit of shedding with them. Okay, so this is what the hair is looking like now that I added a little curl definer in it. Okay, and remember, with these wigs, you can always do different hairstyles. So half up, half down, buns, ponytails. They just make overall like a great protective style for your hair. Okay, y'all, so now that the hair is installed, I laid down my edges, I added a little curl definer and everything. I'm gonna go ahead and just try it on these headbands so you guys can see. You guys know, like, rhinestone headbands are my favorite. I just think they're so gorgeous, especially with the holidays coming up. So I'm gonna put that one on first. So gorgeous. Just look at this. So cute. Okay, I really love this one. This has been like my favorite color lately, like the whole nude taupe type of colors. Light brown has been my favorite color for the fall and everything. I think a lot of people love nude this season. Like, it's like the hot color of the year right now. So I'm messing up my edges already as usual, but oh, this is cute. Look at this headband, y'all. Look how natural this looks. Like, this, girl, this is cute. Okay, I always mess up my edges, so this is why, like, if you already know what headband you're gonna wear for the day, keep it like around your neck at first, while your edges are laying. So like keep it here, and then when you're ready to remove your edge scarf for the day, after those edges are laid, then bring it up and then cover it so that you don't mess up your edges like I do. So this is like the cheetah one, super cute as well. And then like I mentioned, there are some like nice silk ones. I suck at tying silk scarves, but I'm gonna just show you guys just so you can get an idea of what they look like. The pattern on it's really cute. Like they're giving me like that luxury feel, like just fancy. This one's gorgeous. Like the color of it kind of reminds me of like a tealish green. I don't know how to describe the color, but it's so gorgeous. And then it has the specks of brown in it, so you could always just fold it over and just, you know, you can tie these however you want. You can tie it in the back. This is just to give you an idea. Scoot it back some and then tie it, and it will look so cute. Like look at the design on this. This silk is gorgeous. Like it's such a good fall / winter color. So this scarf is really pretty. And then we have this one. Something about this gives me kind of like Versace vibes. So we have this one, and it has like the goldish yellow detailing in it. So pretty. Like all this just gives me like that luxury feeling. So I'm just gonna tie it, and it's wide enough too. Like the more you open this scarf, it does get wider, so you can do different looks. But see, it's definitely really cute scarves. So get into it, check it out. YOLISSA Hair, I will have them linked in the description box below. They have different headband wigs on their site, so you're sure to find something that you like. Like I said, everything will be linked in the description box below. These wigs have been like lifesavers for me. Like when I don't feel like doing my natural hair, or when my hair is looking a mess, girl, I just grab my headband wig and I'm out the door ready to go. So make sure you guys check the description box, check them out. Hope you guys all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.